So, showing you guys my car. Na ay naglagiik sa akong car. We were thinking if it's the brake pad. So, gitanggal sa akong palalab ang akong ligid to check up because when I noticed it's that side. And then so far he said it's maga pa man ang brake pad. Brake pad, dad? Maga pa. Pero okay man siya mo brake, dad, di ba? So kahit papano he's learning to kulikot the car man lately, guys. He's the one who's checking our car every now and then he's the one noticing if there's something wrong with the car aside from me hearing it. So anyways, we have some tools, some stuff bought na kanio pang up, and then pretty much a lot of stuff to use. Okay, so far
I'm cleaning the caliper right now.
What is that, Daddy?
Caliper.
Pero asa na, dad? Pero asa na sa dad?
Unsa?
Ano sa?
Kining taktan sa para sa brake pad. Parang premium pa.
Okay, kanina yung banana, guys. Kung di man yung tanaw og YouTube and how to. I mean, he found out some stuff that is actually easy job, easy to do. But anyways, of course, he makes sure that he can. We have a mechanic friend, anyways, too, that who actually check his work once in a while, and then stuff that he's sure of he's okay doing. Mahay lang ni kaya ni Miss Quila kung nag-mechanic, bata-bata pa. Because kahiligan, it's his hilig, so dapat ni. So kani among car before pa ni na born si Jaden, so mura na yung first baby ni Jane mo ni nga, even if this car is 2009 RAV, alaga kay ni the makina is still very good. Kumbaga sa tao nga natiguwang na ang kalawasan lang medyo nag-angal-angal na. That's why it's being checked, mga brake pads, mga rotor. He changed it, and then he does the change of oil. So medyo may lumping lang gamay kay syempre na may mga katapad na to sa ayog, mga park, mga kuan nga walay paki. So that's why may mga little damages di man ni maiwasan. So like for example this one sa ara ba to, basta na di ara igo sa tapad yang dagparada, but pretty much so kana may gamit po mi pang up. So kompleto siya gamit. Pwede lang ni magmekaniko na ni, wadi lang may certified. na pa siya pakuan-kuan.
Bri, pagarasahan ni.
Pagrasa-grasa.
Tangan ni grasa. Ako man gi-check, wa man ako sa lisig brake pad, ako lagi uli ni.
He knows how to change the brake pad, but the brake pad's still good, so hindi lang, okay ra. So yan. See na siya, tanaw na YouTube ganina. So you gonna put it back, Dad, because it's nothing's wrong?
Yeah.
Siguro kuan lang siya, Dad, wala ka nang lagi ikraman, dili man yung kuan pod. Basin ba yan? Baso yung screw lang ba? Kay mahilom siya, ginag-step na sa brake. Di po siya matingog, Dad, ug magdagan ko kusog ka na rang hinay.
Ako lagi check lagi kung ang brake pad niya hilis na ba? Baga pa man. Oo, baga pa kayo.
See, this the brake pad. Muna siya mga gamit. Kompleto ni gamit. Okay.